Searching on Google used to be a pleasant experience. I used to be able to search for something, and typically, the first result was exactly what you needed. Now, you have to filter through so many links and sponsored ads that, frankly, it's become painful and unusable. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to an alternative. Meet Perplexity. Now, before we dive in, let's talk about what this actually is. Perplexity is a search engine powered by large language models. Opposed to Google or Bing, you can ask thoughtful questions instead of general queries. And no, it's not a large language model. This is not another ChatGPT or Claude. Perplexity searches the web before responding. A large language model typically answers based on its training data, and sometimes accesses the web if that model has access. Perplexity is best for up-to-date and accurate information, especially as it cites its sources. Now that we have a general understanding, let's take a look. This is the homepage of Perplexity. In the main screen here, you have your search box where you can search. Now let's take a look at a few things here. First, you'll notice that you have a focus mode. When Perplexity is answering your question, it's searching the web, and this essentially chooses what type of sources you want it to review before responding. The default is web. You can also choose academic mode, which searches through published in academic papers. You can search for math, you can search through social, video, and you can do writing, which does not search the web. Let's just leave it in web for now. You can also attach files. So if you do not have the premium version, which is $20 a month, you can attach PDF files. If you have the pro version, you can attach images and other files. This button here switches on pro mode, which if you have the free trial, you can use 5 times every 4 hours. One of the benefits to Pro Search is that it goes through more sources, and so if you have more nuanced questions, it can better filter through that and answer. The free version or quick search reviews less sources. But for this video, we're focusing on the free version, which everybody has access to. If you would like me to make a video on the premium version, drop a comment below and let me know. Before we get into the actual search, let's just review a few more items in the navigation. The plus is a new thread. So if you use ChatGPT or Claude, you might be used to a new chat. This is essentially a new chat. This button will always take you home. This screen right here. The Discover page shows you personally curated articles, what you might find interesting. The library is your past queries and also where you can find your bookmarks and collections. So let's do a search. I'm going to do something that is recent so that you can see how this searches the web before answers, and it's not just based on its training data. Please tell me all you can about the recent We Robot event, which at the time of recording happened 4 days ago. What you'll see here is that when it answers a question, it tells you the answer. You don't have to search through a vast amount of links and find a page that you actually don't have to pay for that doesn't have ads. It just gives you the answer right here. And if you're curious, it shows you the sources right here. And one of the cool features here, you can continue in the thread. So if you have a follow-up question, you can ask that here. If you go to Google, you have to do another search and filter through more links. But here, all you have to do is ask a follow-up question and you can stay on topic. And anytime you'd like to change topic, just start a new thread. And if you scroll down, you'll see they already have some other related questions that you could search. But let's just say, what has the public's response been like? Now you'll see the answer. The public response has been mixed, both with enthusiasm and skepticism. It shows you Tesla stock took an 11% dive the day after the event, and it explains its answer. And again, if you'd like, you can review the sources or ask a follow-up question. One thing I'd also like to point out is in the upper right-hand corner, you have 3 dots. So if you click on that, you can add it to a collection. Let's say, for example, that you are doing research on a certain topic and you have multiple threads, but they are all contributing to the same topic in large. Here, you can create a collection. You can title it right here. If you'd like, have a description. And if you would like, you can give it specific instructions to the AI that affect every thread in the collection. That means if you have a certain goal for your collection, you can just tell it to fill that role. If you don't want to create an entire collection, you can just click bookmark, and all of your collections and bookmarks will be available in your library. Before I finish this video, I want to show you one more feature that everybody has access to. If you go to your profile and click on settings, and you go to your profile right here, you can give this custom instructions on how you would like it to respond every single time. This is optional. This is just if you want to customize it a bit more. For example, structure your writing, adopt a conversational tone, use simple language, incorporate real-life examples. These are just roles that I personally have given Perplexity. You can also add your location, and as you save that, it will ask you further questions and you can choose to answer or not. What I showed you today is the free version. If you would like the premium version, there are a few other features that Perplexity offers. First is higher usage rates. You can upload more documents and files. You can even switch models. The default model that Perplexity runs on is ChatGPT 3.5 or its own model. If you subscribe, you have more models to choose from. Perplexity also has a feature called Perplexity Pages, where you can create your own articles or blogs or newsletters. If you have any questions or would like me to make any additional videos, leave a comment below. And if you've made it this far, please like and subscribe. Thank you.